Have you ever dreaded refactoring your Terraform code because you're afraid you'll delete half your infrastructure? Imagine renaming a resource or moving it into a module and Terraform plans to destroy your production resources. Yikes! Today, we're going to fix that fear. Terraform's move block lets you relocate or rename resources without the usual destroy and recreate chaos. This topic comes from a great blog post by my colleague Danny Smith, who you might remember from the Duo versus Copilot video. It's about Terraform's move blocks feature. If you enjoy Terraform and DevOps tips, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The problem: vanilla Terraform changing a resource's address would make Terraform think the old resource was gone and a new one was added. Terraform planned to destroy the resource at the old address and create a brand new one at the new address. Before Terraform 1.1, the only solution was the dreaded Terraform move command. You'd manually move the state reference, but this was error-prone, not tracked in code, and risky if teammates didn't know about those manual moves. The solution: enter the moved block. Introduced in Terraform version 1.1, a move block lets you declaratively record that resource X has moved to address Y. Instead of destroy and create, Terraform understands it as a move. A move block is super simple. It's named move, it has from and to, simple as that. This keeps refactoring declarative and auditable. The change is in code, checked into version control, and you can then preview the move with Terraform plan before applying. Demo time. Start with an existing resource. We have a resource AWS instance server already deployed. Terraform state tracks it as AWS instance.server. Step 2. Rename the resource in code with no moved block yet. We rename it to AWS Instance Web Server. Running Terraform plan shows AWS Instance.server will be destroyed, plus AWS.webserver will be created, and the plan is 1 to add, 0 to change, and 1 to destroy. This wants to terminate our existing server, exactly what we don't want. Step 3. Add a move block. We add this to our config, moved with the from and the to, just like that. Step 4. Plan again with the move block. Now Terraform plan shows 0 to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. Terraform prints something like AWS instance.server has moved to AWS instance.webserver. It recognizes the move. Apply the changes. Running Terraform apply updates the state file behind the scenes. The actual EC2 instance in AWS remains the same, no recreation. Terraform says apply complete, resources, 0 added, 0 changed, 0 destroyed. We've successfully refactored without downtime or manual state tweaking. Beyond move, other state operations. Terraform has added more declarative state management features. Import blocks in Terraform 1.5 and up bring existing resources into Terraform through code instead of CLI command. Remove blocks in Terraform 1.7 intentionally remove resources from Terraform management through configuration. Key improvements. Initially, moved blocks only worked within the same project. Terraform version 1.3 lifted this restriction. Now you can move resources into modules from external sources like the Terraform registry. Pro tip: leave the move blocks in place until all environments have applied that change, then remove them during code cleanup. Conclusion: Terraform's move block saves you from terrifying destroy plans when refactoring. It lets you rename or relocate resources safely, keeping infrastructure intact while updating Terraform state. If you've been avoiding refactoring due to the fear of breaking things, give move blocks a try. A massive shout out to Danny Smith, the writer of the blog post that inspired this video. Please check him out on LinkedIn. I'll link his profile in the description below. Also a shout out to DevOps Digital, who help organizations with Terraform at scale, and features like Moved let them refactor infrastructure with confidence. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more Terraform tips. Give a comment about your refactoring experience. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy automating and stay merge ready.